Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Saturday morning. Actually, it's kind of late morning. It's almost Saturday afternoon, and we have our sales from today and yesterday to pull, and Kathy's lint rolling herself, so I'm trying to delay turning the camera over to her because we're actually rushing this morning because our post office here closes at like 1 o'clock. It is like 10 minutes till 12. So we have to get everything all packed up and taken up there, which is like a 15-minute drive because we are closing our P.O. box up there. We did get a new P.O. box closer to home, and all that will be updated down below. But good information to know if you guys do send us stuff. So I'm going to turn over to Kathy. She's done lint rolling. We're going to start picking what's sold for us.
I have some sort of stain here, so I know about it, and we're just going to go with it. So
Can't lint roll the stain off, huh?
Yep. All right, so D-O.
That's in the closet.
Some Skechers sandals that I got from the bins, and I sold them on eBay for $14 plus shipping. I had $1.84 into those. Chris just ran into the chair. You can't see it. But
okay,
it
look,
funny.
you left it way out. Look how out you left that. We're a mess this morning.
So, yeah, Chris gave me his cold, so now
Yeah,
I have to stay.
and I'm on the tail end of it, so you're going to have a good week.
Just put those in a mailer. Okay. Go back to the closet.
Oh, hanging?
So this North Face vest.
Oh, this was a good sale.
Yeah, it was funny because I was a little below my goal for September. It was a little bit slower. And yesterday I would have had to make like $500 profit to hit my goal for the month. Let me see what I did. I feel like I got really close. I know I didn't hit it. But I randomly had like two over $100 sale or about $100 sales come in. September, I was $122 below my goal. So
Almost.
after needing 500 just in one day, so I got like 300 something.
Yeah.
Which is really good profit in one day. So this one, I bought at a garage sale over the summer for $10, and I sold it for $99.95 plus shipping on eBay.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember when that one came in, you were like, I just might hit my goal.
Yeah, I was like,
She texted me.
I was like, I'm probably going to be like 13 cents under because it always happens. But,
it's good, though.
I think I'm going to put that in a 13 by 9 box.
Oh, look, you restocked. I didn't even notice.
A little. I need to go find the medium flat rate somewhere because those are my fave for Poshmark. This was eBay, though. Okay. So DL. Ugh. Just bring it down.
Oh, I was trying to catch the bucket falling on your head.
Fall on my head again. That's my sweater box. Sweater and Easter basket box. Oh, those are our kiddos.
Yep. We have not told them that we are. Oh.
Hey, buddy, hold on. We're recording. They don't have
Okay.
full outfits on yet.
Well, let's finish recording and then I'll answer any questions you have. Okay? You got to go down.
About 30 minutes.
Okay.
Love you. Yeah, we didn't tell them that we were recording because usually we tell them and then they, I don't know what happens. They just get louder. Yeah, not on purpose, but they do it. Yeah.
Let's just not tell them and go for it.
Yeah.
All right. So this is a Ralph Lauren. I think it's, what is it? Wool mohair blend. So nice fabric sweater. This sat for a while. I bought it for $9.99 and sold it for $24.97 plus ship. I thought I could get like 40 to 50, but it's okay. Still more than doubled my money.
Yeah.
I think it sat for almost a year. So, all right, that was gonna go just a 2-pound rate. So probably, I don't know, maybe another one of these boxes or something. All right, box B. This is a viewer sale going out to Cameron.
Got Reese guy there. How's it going, Reese? You gonna go for a ride in a bit? You want to go to the post office?
Lucky guy.
You gotta give us some time.
Cameron, who lives in North Carolina, who bought the fur-lined clogs the other day, said she needed another pair of shoes for the first week of January. So these are some Skechers. I actually got these at Once Upon a Child. They are women's, but they had them in the like size 6, like big use size bin.
Yeah.
So yeah, I paid 10, and Cameron bought them on Posh for 36 with discount shipping. So thanks again, Cameron.
Cameron, thank you so much for that support.
The warmest person in North Carolina this winter.
Well, it's funny because I didn't tell you, but a few people actually did comment on that and saying, like, I live here and it does get cold. Yeah.
Cold to them, though, right? That's a different kind of cold.
It's all relative, I guess.
Right. Like, I am thinking
if it's cold to them, it's probably cold to you, though, because you're like...
I was thinking of my friend, like, Amanda Pruitt. She has a YouTube channel, too, but she lives in Florida, and, like, it'll be, like, 75 degrees, and she's like,
she's got a
so
parka.
Chilly. I got my windbreaker on. Meanwhile, today, I don't know what the degrees is. I'd be out in, like, shorts and a t-shirt and flip-flops right now, and it's probably, like, 60s. This is...
Oh, these ones sold.
Yeah. I think I could have got more if I waited, but I was happy with the profit, and yeah. So these are some Asics. So normally Asics, maybe you can get like $30, but this like Noosa Tri 13 whatever model seemed to be doing really well. I paid $12.99 for them. Comps on eBay were like 80 up to 100, even for pre-owned. So that's where I listed mine. They ended up selling on Mercari though. I think I had them at like $79 and someone offered $60. Okay. I took the offer, so it's still like close to a $40 profit.
Yeah.
Those are going UPS, so just my own little box here. Okay, AA 510 Adidas sneakers. These I also think I could have got more for, and I almost countered, but I was like, it was yesterday when I was trying to hit my goal.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'll just take it. They had been listed at least a few more months than I would like them to be. So, yeah, this is a decent brand. So 510 is like an Adidas type of a brand. I did buy these for $12, and someone offered $30, so I make $24 after the Poshmark fee. So doubling my money there.
We see you got to be patient, okay?
Do a shoebox.
I mentioned that we were going to go for a ride, so he's all
going for a ride.
He's all anticipating it, yeah.
Yeah. And then BC, some snow boots. Kamek. Some toddler Kamek snow boots, bought for $5.99, accepted a $25 offer on Posh. I maybe can fit those in original A. Okay. CJ. Sold a drug rug. I don't know. It's like one of the key terms. When I was listing this, I was like, what do people call these? So I like just looked up other comps and yeah, a whole bunch of different types of things, and I tried to fit as many as I could in my title.
Loading it with keywords.
Yeah, like Baja hoodie, stuff like that.
Yeah, I was going to say Baja was what I think of it.
Anyways, I got this at the bin, so $1.37 cost of goods. Sold it for $16 on Posh. That was an offer someone sent me, and I just took it.
Very nice.
I don't know. I'd put that in a medium flat rate, but we don't have one, so I'll figure out what we're putting that in when we ship it. All right, AC, another viewer sale. Yeah, these are going out to Shannon. She bought them when we were having our live on Thursday.
Oh, nice.
These are Beta brand flats, $40 with discount shipping, and I bought them for $7.99. So thank you so much,
awesome.
Shannon,
thank you so much for that support.
We have a whole new collection of shoes. I know she bought a couple pairs.
Oh, Reese
must have found some food.
You got their oatmeal bowl.
I don't know. I need to think of a good box for those. I don't know. They're like a weird, like not too big, like a shoe box would be. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I feel like I'm rushing.
We are rushing, remember?
I know. So I feel like I can't think straight right now. Reese, come up here.
All right, we had to call him up because you're just too distracting down there. Come lay in your bed. Come lay in your bed.
sold these little Ugg booties on Poshmark for $30. That was an offer someone sent. I accepted. I bought them at Once Upon a Child for $6.50. Yeah. We'll just skip doing the rest of the packaging today and go do that again next time. Alrighty, so DM, some dance goes. These are Dance Go vegan clogs, bought for $9.99, sold for $39.95 plus shipping.
Look how good of a listener he was. He's like laid behind his bed, not on his bed.
This was the biggest sale of the weekend, not.
Oh.
This was a Chris bad.
Oh, hey, look at that. I sold something, guys.
Yeah, and you made like 70 cents profit, and we still had to pay for the mailer and everything. I don't know why you bought this. Were you gonna bundle it or something?
Maybe it was a GameCube game. I was like thinking GameCube.
I mean, you only paid $1.50 for it, but
yeah,
you sold it for $2.99.
It was more or less a gamble. Sports games, don't typically do well, but I figured since it was a GameCube, older generation game console, I figured $1.50. I might win, right? I guess I didn't.
I guess you won, right? You didn't lose money.
No,
you made us some profit. All right, we got a 5-item bundle sale going out to our viewer, Zach. He also bought this when we were on our live.
Yeah. Which, if you guys don't know, we do have a live show every Thursday night, 8 p.m. Mountain Time here on YouTube. And we typically just kind of get together, answer questions, hang out, and have a lot of fun. So, in case you didn't know that, we would love to have you there. Look how fast you pick when you're not talking to me.
All right. So, we got this Nike Trail shirt. I have a few of those. Those are retail arbitrage. This is the brand Segments. I sold a couple of these last winter for like 25 to 30. So I found a couple this year and yeah, grabbed them up. These are just some Puma new attack, like a camo sweat short.
Nice.
This was my old Tory blouse. Cute little hearts. And then this was the brand, what is it? Cafe Marrakesh. I'm not really familiar with the brand. I actually bought this off Whatnot from Savannah Street Savvy. I just didn't love how it looked on me, so I just...
Reese.
Hey, buddy. Come here.
Are you so excited? We're about to go. You gotta be patient, Bubba. Lay down. All right, sorry. Reese is obviously very excited and got him, what is that called? Inward sneezing or something? I don't know, but he's fine now.
Yeah.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
This brand, I don't really know what it is. Cafe Marrakesh. I just bought this off Whatnot from Savannah Street Savvy, and it just I didn't love how it looked on me, so I just relisted it. So, total for the bundle came to $139.75 plus shipping, and I had about $54.19 into the 5. So thank you so much, Zach.
Yeah, Zach, thank you so much for the awesome order and all the amazing support.
And for being so nice to your mom.
Yeah, making me no thank you. We were talking on the live where he made me feel bad, like a bad son. Like I need to be better to my mom.
Yeah. This was the other sale that like yesterday morning was like, oh, maybe I can meet my goal for the day. So these are Edmonds, which is a great brand. I did pay up for these in Denver at one of their thrifts for $35, but I knew I could sell them for over $100, and I did. They were a size men's 14, 3E, so like extra wide.
Yeah.
They sat for, I mean, it hasn't been too long. I'd say less than 6 months still. But yeah, they sold for $127.96 plus
Very,
shipping,
very
so,
nice. Those look like some nice shoes too.
Yeah, they are. These probably retail about like $3.95, I think. So.
Wow. So they got a killer deal too.
Yeah.
Because those are in great shape.
Yeah, they look like they might have been worn once.
Yeah.
So. Okay. AS, some Crocs.
From Edmonds to Crocs. We sell it all here on Ginger Marvin.
So these are Crocs Flip-Flops. They sold on eBay for $34.95 plus ship. I had bought them for $9.99. And actually, these sold, I think, yesterday morning. So this is 2 days worth of sales.
Yeah.
But I woke up to those sold on eBay, but then also an offer for them on Posh, I think, for like $10. So I was like very happy to just get to like delete the item and not even respond to that. So, all right, BM. Sold some Converse. These ones I bought for $9.99, sold for $29 plus shipping on eBay. And a box A. These are the brand Smith, just like some snowboard goggles. We got these at that garage sale. We did do a video. We tried to do some videos on garage
over
sales
the summer, yeah.
but we're just not good at it.
We're not good, and the garage sales aren't that good either.
This one was though.
Yeah.
Not necessarily these goggles. I feel like we paid about $3. We tried to like watch the video yesterday just to see because I didn't have these in my spreadsheet for some reason. Yeah, so we bought a bunch of stuff from this lady and bundled it all up. And
Yeah.
so I'm saying we have about $3 into these. I accepted a $12 offer. The goggles were kind of just a throw-in at the last minute. So it was still like a $6 profit on those. But yeah, we bought 2 snowboards from her for like $5 a piece, which we need to go and list probably this week.
Mm-hmm.
We bought some nice Vibram 5-finger shoes. So that was a good sale overall.
Yeah.
So yeah. That's what
Probably the only good one over the summer.
That's true.
For us, at least. But we are going to... That was it, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get this stuff all packed up. All right, there we go. Coffee break, huh?
I deserve it.
Yeah, we just hammered those out so fast. I don't know, probably like 15 minutes. We had to do a lot of like measuring and resizing some boxes, but they're ready to go.
Yay.
Last comments? Got to go.
Can make it to the post office in time.
I do have about 30 minutes to drive 15 minutes and close out all of our old P.O. box. So I think I'm good, but that's going to do it for today. Reese, you ready to go for a ride?
Oh,
You want to go for a ride? All right. We're going to go.
bye.
Guys, thank you so much for all the support. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.